Hi guys, morning. It's Monday morning and we have a lot learning hour today. We're gonna stay in campus for at least 6 hours, I guess. So now let's pack.
Take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Saturday morning and it's the first day of Chinese New Year, so we probably have a vlog in Mandarin next week. I will see if I can do that. And some update, you can see there's a wound on my face. I have no idea. It used to be 2 pimples, but turns out it's now a wound. I guess it's getting better. Okay, anyway, I don't want to scare you guys. Yeah, I have severe headache these 2 days, so I will take a warm shower before I go out. I just need a heat on my head. It helps a bit. And for today, I will have the breakfast first and do some study before heading with my friend to somewhere close to Birmingham. We will play shooting there. It's like with the gun, but I'm not sure about the details. Yep, and we will have dinner together. That's it. Let me take a shower. Morning guys. Oh, it's tennis time. It's badminton time. Sunday morning.